Welcome to the PhD program in Indigenous Studies here at Trent University.
We were the very first Indigenous Studies department PhD in Canada and the second in North America.
The PhD program is about preparing the next generation of Indigenous Studies scholars. And people come into the program, and because we have a program that's focused on Indigenous knowledge, people's lives are transformed.
When you begin to operate from an Indigenous knowledge perspective or Indigenous knowledge foundation, you have to do things differently.
To understand the world, we need to understand it from different kinds of perspectives, and I think the Indigenous way of knowing provides a healthy alternative to really what is our standard way of knowing things, which is through Western science.
We advance Indigenous knowledge, but we at the same time recognize the importance of Western knowledge, and we bring both of them in and we discuss them, and we do all kinds of hands-on learning that would make us better understand the culture itself. We do such things as ricing, wild rice we pick in the fall. We also do maple syrup and maple tree tapping in the spring. I get the students to do this, to have a hands-on experience, because I believe that, what basically the culture is all about is life on the land.
One of the really unique features that we have in the program that allows us as students to actually apprentice with an elder, right, to learn more about a particular Indigenous knowledge, whether it's Anishinaabe or Haudenosaunee knowledge or some other Indigenous knowledge from another place. It allows a student to go and to learn about that, including non-Indigenous students.
I think at Trent we have an exceptional opportunity to work with elders and traditional people. We have really extraordinary access to elders, knowledge holders here at Trent, not only for the students but also for faculty as well. It's a place where people who really want to learn have the opportunity to learn at a really deep level. We are able to go to ceremonies, we're able to go to teachings, and this knowledge is being made available to us. And that makes Trent a really exceptional place, an extraordinary place.
I see Trent as being on kind of the forefront of Indigenous scholarship. And there's a lot of unique aspects of the program that allow you to give back to the communities through the field practicum, and the opportunity to work closely with elders and to be on the land was the unique things that attracted me. And now that I'm here, and I went through the Manoba Madzawin option, and that opportunity to apprentice long-term with an elder and to really embody Indigenous knowledge, I think is very unique and has really molded me into the student and the teacher and the person that I am.
To keep up with the idea of applying the knowledge the students have, we set out the practicum field placement where students go into an Aboriginal organization to work or to do a research project and help out in an Indigenous community. And so they get the practical experience of actually being in a community and experiencing what life is like, or in an Aboriginal organization.
The whole idea of this program is working the land and then being able to marry it to academia in terms of writing a thesis on this kind of thing.
I've talked with many students who have talked about the mentoring that they've received from elders, and really their lives are transformed by it, and so is their scholarship. So the PhD program really is quite different, I would say, from other graduate opportunities. It's a one-of-a-kind program.